Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome to Next Level English Prep. In this video, we're going to give you a complete overview of the TOEIC Writing Test. It's a 1 hour test designed to demonstrate your professional English writing skills. The TOEIC Writing Test is broken down into three main sections. First, you'll have the picture description section. You'll be given 5 different pictures and asked to write a single sentence for each one. You'll have 8 minutes to complete this section. Next, you'll move on to the respond to a request section. Here, you'll be given 2 different emails and asked to write a response to each one. You'll have about 10 minutes for each response, with each one being around 100 words. Finally, you'll have the opinion essay. You'll write one full essay of about 300 words, and you'll have about 30 minutes to complete it. Let's look at each section a little closer. Starting with the picture description. The task is to write one sentence based on a picture, using 2 given words. You can change the word forms, and you can use them in any order. Your sentence will be scored based on its grammar and how relevant it is to the picture. Next, we'll look at the written request section. You'll need to respond to a professional or semi-professional email with clarity and relevance. You'll be given specific instructions, such as including 2 details about a topic or answering all the questions in an original email. You'll be scored on the completeness of your response, your grammar, vocabulary, tone, and logical organization. The final section is the opinion essay. For this task, you'll be given a question and asked to write a full essay stating, explaining, and supporting your opinion on a given topic. You should aim for a minimum of 300 words. Your score is determined by how well you support your opinion with reasons and examples, as well as your grammar, vocabulary, and organization. Now that you know the format of the test, here's your path to TOEIC writing success. Continue your learning with our detailed video lessons or enroll in private online classes. You can also practice and prepare with our Next Level Writing Lab, which gives you instant feedback and realistic test simulations. Most importantly, engage with us. Watch the rest of this series and share your progress and questions in the comments below. We're here to support your journey. You can find more practice at nextlevelenglishprep.com. The Next Level Writing Lab will help you get instant feedback and prepare for test day with realistic simulations. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more free TOEIC lessons and tips.